Hello guys, so in this particular video I'm going to teach you how you can currently connect your Pi into multiple accounts right now. Currently the Telegram policy right now actually said any project that is not launching under them cannot list under Telegram. So while Pi is actually not listing under Telegram again, they are currently going to Solana. So you need to have your Solana wallet address right here. So just download Python right there and you're actually going to see this interface. So how do you get that done? Let me just do the quick one for you. You're going to be writing this pi.community, but all you need to do is just to click on Pi, just write Pi right here. It's actually going to show just like this for you to see, just like this. You can see right here, just click on it, then automatically it's actually going to come and then you can connect your wallet, right? So I know the question right now is I have multiple accounts on Telegram and how should I put it? So far you've actually connected your Solana wallet to your stuff. All you need to do is to come to this particular site, right? So click on this particular arrow right here. You can see this particular arrow, right? So just click on it, then click on exist, right? So far you exist this right here, then you switch to this particular account right here. So I'm going to be switching to another of my account right now. So I have this particular account right here, which I'm going to switch to right now. So I'm trying to switch to that. Okay, right. So I'm switching to this particular second account, right? So I'm here already. Then this is my wallet. So I'm going to come back to my browser right here, then search the Pi. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this part, then click on Pi again. So I'm going to click on Pi and it's actually going to show just like this. So then it's going to require me to connect to the account right here. I don't know, I think this network is kind of not loading, but I need to show you how it's actually going to show and work right here. Let me just go back, come back again. Alright, so it's actually the network. So it's going to come up like this. Then it will tell you to verify yourself. So you click on verify yourself. Then you click on what you want to connect to. You just click on Phantom wallet right here. Then this is the account I want to connect to it right here. This is the account I want to connect. So I just click on connect right here. Then I allow it to load. Right, so I confirm my confirmation that I want to connect. No account was found for this. Verify Telegram app first right there. So this is no account was under this, right? So let me check another account. So this is account 3. Then I'm going to click on this right now. I'm going to click on verify, click on Python, right? So I'm going to click on this, then confirm account 3 right here. So account 3 has actually loaded. You can see I have this particular amount on account 3 right now, and that is how we do. So let's try for account 4 also. So I'm going to click on account 4. So if you have actually not connected your wallet to the other account, it will not work. So for account 4, you can see it's still showing the same thing, but if I actually log out right now, if I click on sign out, then I try to log again. So it's going to ask me where I want to connect to, which is the Python, and this is account 4, right? So it's going to load up and bring out the balance for account 4. So I think this particular video will be useful for you. And do not forget to give this video a thumb like and turn on the notification bell icon to not miss another video. Enjoy your day. Peace out.